Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically chat with Clyde. It is the new AI chatbot on Discord, so you don't need to download anything. You just need to mention at Clyde, which is right here. So if you for instance closed it, you can just at Clyde and maybe ask something about somebody, like how old is Taylor Swift. Okay, apparently there's been a crash on my Discord, so let's try that again, shall we? And it will answer a question according to her birthday on Wikipedia. Taylor Swift was born on December 13, 1989, so as of 2023, she would be 33 years old. So that's how you can basically chat with their AI bot. So again, I'm just going to try Clyde. How many cats does Taylor Swift have? And it's going to type, and as you can see, Taylor Swift has been known to be a cat lover and is proud owner of these three feline friends: Meredith Grey, Olivia Benson, and Benjamin Button, which is all correct. So it's a very useful AI bot to have. And yeah, that is basically it. You can ask any questions, I think, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!